Hi folks, Bobby Cool here down at Milam Mazda Truck Country in Puyallup, Washington. Take a little bit of time to explain what we got going on down here. We got the largest inventory of used Jeeps in the state. I'd say probably the region, but I'm just bragging. Sunny downtown Puyallup, Washington. Right now I'm going to take some time to walk you around a 2010 Jeep Wrangler Sport Edition. It's got the aftermarket wheels and tires. It's got the chrome Nerf bars and front and rear bumpers. Nice rig. It's an automatic, it's air conditioning, it's leather. Can't go wrong with this one. You can check out some more pictures of this vehicle online. My website is milamauto.com. That's milamauto.com. Or you can give me a call, set up an appointment to come down and take one for a ride. My direct line here is 253-229-8202. You can rest assured that every vehicle you see in my inventory has been gone over thoroughly and completely. We do a 150-point safety inspection. All my mechanics here at the dealership are ASC certified. Check them out, milamauto.com. Give me a call, Bobby Cool, 253-229-8202. Thanks for your time. We'll talk soon.